Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to walk you through the best deals going on over at CVS for the week and how I was able to get all of these items completely free. I hope you all had a wonderful 4th of July holiday. Normally when I post a CVS video, I post it on Mondays, but because of the holiday, I'm a little bit later than normal. But there were so many awesome deals, I did want to go ahead and get a video out to you. I also posted 2 different Walgreens hauls this week. One was a ton of stuff, including a bunch of groceries. The second one, I walked you through how to stack booster coupons and promotions at Walgreens. So if that interests you, check out both of the Walgreens videos I posted Sunday and Monday. Okay, let's jump straight into these deals. I'm going to walk you through each one of them individually, and then I'll show you how I put them together to use my $6 off a $30 purchase coupon that I got via email this week. So let's start with a couple of deals anyone can do at CVS. I know some of you say, hey, I don't have that coupon. This deal right here doesn't even involve coupons. These paparazzi nail polishes are 2 for $5. That's just their regular price. But this week, when you buy 2, you're gonna get a $4 extra care box back, making them just $1 or 50 cents each. That promotion was not tagged in my store, but I bought 2 at $5. I got $4 in extra care box back, so great deal. Another deal that anyone can do is on the Colgate this week. The Colgate is 2 for $7.98. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $5 extra care box. Now, scan the toothpaste in your CVS app. Buy 2 of them that qualify for that $4 off digital, because then you'll pay $3.98. You'll get back $5 in extra care box, making your final cost completely free, and $1.02 moneymaker on toothpaste. So super simple deal there. Now, another easy deal is on the Ajax. Now, you only see one of them here. I've already given one away before I did the video. I shouldn't have done that. You want to buy 2 because they're buy 2, get $2 in extra care box. They're also buy 1, get 1 half off. So at my store, I bought one at $3.69. The second one's going to ring $1.84. I had just one coupon. It was $1 off the Ajax. So I paid $4.53. I got $2 in extra care box back, making my final cost $2.53 or just $1.26 each. Now, of course, I included these items in that spend 30 or $6 off a $30 purchase, which is how I ended up getting everything free. And I'll tell you that here in just a moment. Now, I also picked up these Ajax deodorants. Or the Ajax body sprays, I should say. They're 25% off. So that made them $4.49 each. I bought 2 of them because when you buy 2, you're going to get $4 in extra care box back. Now, I had a $3 off 2 paper coupon that I used, and I wasn't expecting it, but the $1 digital coupon also came off. So I paid $4.89, and I got back $4 in extra care box. Then I submitted my receipt to the Shopkick app, where I got $1.20 back for buying 1 of them, making my final cost completely free and a 22-cent moneymaker. Now, another Shopkick deal you can do is on these Frutellas, and you can get them for free. These are also buy 1, get 1 half off. You want to grab 1 of the raspberry, 1 of the mango. The first one's going to be $3.39. The second one, $1.69. So you'll pay $5.08 at the register. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick, where you'll get $5.40 back, making both packages completely free and a 32-cent moneymaker. Now, I also noticed that I had a $3 off 2 CVS sun care products. But the CVS sun care products are also 40% off this week. So I picked up 2 of these aloe vera gels. They were $1.97 after that 40% off. So buying 2 of them put me at $3.94. But then that $3 off 2 coupon came off, leaving me to pay 94 cents for both of them, or just 47 cents each. So great deal. And someone actually just mentioned putting your aloe in the refrigerator and how good it feels on a sunburn. So I might try that. because it sounds like it would feel amazing. On these Shopkick offers, they haven't processed yet. They scanned as qualifying, so I know they're going to process just fine. But if you're brand new to Shopkick, it's a completely free app. If you download it using my referral code SWC5, you will get an additional $5 when you scan your first receipt. So a great offer for new users. Now, let me show you how I used my $6 off a $30 purchase, okay? I bought the sun care, the Colgate, the nail polish, the Axe, and the Ajax, okay? All of that together before coupons was $31.43. Then my 6 off a $30 purchase came off. Then all the other coupons that I just mentioned that I used, I paid $13.43 at the register. I got back $4 for the Axe, $1.20 on Shopkick for the Axe. I got back the $5 in extra care bucks for the Colgate, the $4 in extra care bucks for the nail polish, the $2 in extra care bucks for the Ajax, making all of it free, and a $2.77 moneymaker. Now that overage is going to cover the out-of-pocket I paid for this L'Oreal L-Vibe deal. These are spend $15, get $5 in extra care bucks, and they are $8 for 2 of them. So I grabbed 4, total cost of $16. I had a $5 off a $15 L-Vibe CRT, as well as a $1 digital. Now I popped over to coupons.com. I have that linked for you down in the video description box, and I printed 2 other $1 coupons. I'm buying 4 items. I had a $1 digital and then 2 of the printed. So I only used 3 coupons on 4 items, plus that 5 off 15 CRT. So I paid $8. I got back $5 in extra care bucks, making my final cost $3 for all 4, or 75 cents each. Now, if I had 2 computers, I could have printed a third $1 off coupon, because we could use a total of 4 manufacturer coupons because we're buying 4 items, and that would have made my price even lower. But like I said, when you add this plus that 6 off 30, everything was completely free. So amazing haul at CVS, and I actually paid $0 out of my bank account because I used all extra care bucks to pay for my items. Now, I almost always have a 0 balance at CVS with $0 coming out of my bank account, because even if I don't have extra care bucks to cover the balance, I will cash out to a CVS gift card from my Fetch Rewards app, and then I use that gift card to pay at the register. That way no money is ever coming out of my bank account for a CVS haul, and that's the way I like to do it, because who wants money coming out of their bank account? So just think about how you can roll and use your extra care bucks. That way you lower the amount of money that's coming out of your pocket. Now, if you have any questions about any of these deals, don't hesitate to drop them down below. If you guys aren't already following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina. Also, don't forget I'm sending out a weekly email right now. So if you want to get signed up for those emails, pop on over to my website, savingwithchristina.com, and get signed up to get one of those once weekly emails of all the best deals and then kind of just what's going on during the week. All right, hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.